In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install apps on your Shopify store to enhance its functionality seamlessly. Whether you're looking to streamline your operations or offer new features to your customers, adding apps is a fantastic way to expand your store's capabilities. We'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring that by the end, you'll feel confident in navigating the app installation process. Let's start by heading over to your Shopify dashboard. This is your central hub, where everything from sales data to customer interactions comes together. From here, take a look at the menu on the left side of your screen. You'll want to find and click on Apps, which will guide you into the specific section where all integrations are managed. Upon entering the Apps section, a new window will come up, and you'll notice an Add button. Go ahead and click that. This action will trigger a pop-up window showing a curated list of recommended apps by Shopify. These are often chosen for their popularity and proven utility, making them a great starting point if you're unsure of what specific tools might enhance your business. If you're in the mood to explore a broader selection beyond the recommendations provided, you can look for a link that says Shopify App Store at the bottom of this pop-up. Clicking this link will redirect you to a comprehensive page filled with a multitude of apps, each offering various features. This is Shopify's official app marketplace, where you can find almost everything imaginable to improve and customize your store. Now comes the fun part, browsing through the apps and picking one that fits your needs. The possibilities are vast, from marketing tools to customer service support and everything in between. For today's demonstration, let's keep it simple by choosing an app for integrating Google and YouTube services. Find it in the list and click on it to learn more. After selecting the Google and YouTube integration app, or any other app that catches your interest, you'll land on the app's detailed page. This page contains information about what the app does, its features, and user reviews. All these details can help you make an informed decision about installing. Once you're ready, find the Install button on this page. A single click on it, and voila, you've successfully added a new tool to your Shopify store. And just like that, you're good to go. With this newfound ability to install apps, you're now set to explore a world of customization and functionality, enhancing your Shopify store in the ways that make the most sense for your business. Thanks for joining me, and I hope you find these new tools as helpful as many other Shopify merchants have. Happy selling!